Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about 春运 and 就地过年. First of all, let's take a look at a couple of pictures. Tell me, how do you feel? Where do you think those are taken? In what circumstances people were waiting? The typical pictures documenting Chinese people during 春运. So 春 means spring and 运 means transport. It means transport something or somebody from point A to point B. Now, 春运, so 春运 is spring transportation? Yes and no, it's actually Spring Festival travel rush. Why is that? Those are not regular traffic jam. Those are a specific period of time happening right before Spring Festival, the most important festival for Chinese people, the equivalent of the Christmas in the Western world. In a couple of weeks, Chinese Spring Festival is coming. This year, it falls on the February 1st, very easy to remember. Anyhow, a lot of Chinese people are planning to go back to their hometown. So, 春运, also known as the largest population migration in the world, because considering the base population in China. You might be thinking it's just the regular traffic jam like the rest of the world is doing prior their national holidays. Yes and no. Every year, to cope with such a massive domestic and possibly a decent number of international travels made in China during 春运, Chinese government and railway stations and transportation department all issue different methods and approaches and new policies during this period of time. Which is to say, if you are considering about traveling home or just enjoy some quiet vacations this year or any other year during this time, you should be paying attention to the latest policies and arrange your plans properly. Otherwise, you may find your well-arranged plans just does not work. Now, these past couple of years, the entire globe are fighting with COVID. So there is another new term that was introduced in China that is encouraging people 就地过年. Now, 就地过年 indicates you should spend your Spring Festival at the exact location that you are currently at. So that is a new term to help you guys understand along with the 春运. Anyhow, I hope everyone who is planning to travel around in China knows about this phenomenon and plan accordingly. And hopefully, if you have no specific plans, you can 就地过年 and we all can have a happy and safe Chinese New Year. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.